It is the text of our Aqidah, our book of faith, by our Ahlus Sunnah, Imam Omar Nasafi Hazrat. Allah is a speaking creator. In other words, Allah has the attribute of kalam, the attribute of speech. But what kind of speech? It is not with letters like me, like you, not with sound. Because what happens when this happens? One letter is followed by another letter. One sound is followed by another sound. There are sequences. However, in the eternal knowledge of Allah, everything is obvious, instantaneous. It has no beginning, no beginning. That is why He speaks from eternity to the infinity. What does eternal mean? Infinite. Heaven is eternal, hell is eternal, so it will always continue. There is no end to the people of paradise and the people of hell, it will continue. The words of Mawla will also continue. But Mawla has decreed those words from eternity. The attribute of kalam continues from eternity to everlasting. Can you understand that? You cannot. Now you are telling me why you are telling me, but why can't we understand? We have minutes, we have hours. I came up here and now I said, inshallah, I will not prolong it. I said I will talk for an hour. It is for my business, you never know. But the minutes are ticking here now. Does time pass for Allah? No. Billion years, trillion years. Does Allah have anything to do with this time? No. He is out of time, out of space. Then we cannot compare the attributes of Mawla to our own attributes. No essence is like His essence. No attribute is like His attributes. There is no equal.